This serum is for your client that is looking for a serious anti-aging product, or anybody that click 30, 40 and above and aging is catching up with you real quick and you don't want that. We'll be using natural product, natural fruit or vegetable, I don't know which one cucumber belong in, but that's one of the key ingredients in this serum. So if today is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe to my channel, thumb up. And to my returning subscribers, I see you, I thank you. So let's continue. I washed this cucumber thoroughly with vinegar and baking soda. Like, you need to wash it very, very well. You don't want any kind of bacteria. So after that, you just slice your cucumber as you see me do. We have a scapegoat slice and we are not going to be using that. I said this before and I'll say it again. The easiest, safest and non-costly way for anti-aging is for you to use natural products for that. And trust me, it's effective, and then no much money spent. Like, you don't have to go under the knife for you to have aged, like for you to have anti-aged face at home. So that's our cucumber right there, and I'll be using distilled water to double boil this. We are going to double boil this. We are not going to use it directly on fire, because we need the extract of the cucumber. So if you have cucumber hydrosol, you can use this. You can use that, but I feel like I needed to do this, like, not because I don't have cucumber hydrosol, but I want, that kind of natural. I know it's natural because I bought the cucumber hydrosol, so I don't know whether it's 100% cucumber hydrosol, but this way, if you do it, you know that it's 100% cucumber water. And again, I did this for me to show you that you can do this at home. Like, you don't need to get expensive cucumber hydrosol for you to make this. So here we have double boiled our cucumber. As you can see, it is cooked. So we're just going to strain the water and then we continue. Cucumber that you see is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, perfect for reducing fine lines and wrinkles and smoothing of your skin. It's a very, very, very good natural fruit in skincare formulation. Wait, is it fruit or vegetable? I really don't know. Like, if you know, comment below and tell me whether cucumber is fruit or vegetable. Thank you. So here we are going to measure our cucumber water. We're not using the whole water. I'll be using the remaining water for another product, but for now we'll be measuring just 30 grams, right? 30 grams of this cucumber hydrosol or cucumber water for this. When you make this product just the way I did, like this, trust me, you'll start seeing results in 2 weeks. It's very, very effective. Like, this serum is so effective. So our next ingredient is our vitamin B3, that is niacinamide powder. We are using 2 grams of this. This is rather a small batch, so if you're making a large batch, you know how to maximize your formula or maximize the formula. So I'll just dissolve it. Right from the beginning, this cucumber water is kind of warm, it's not cold, so it will make it easy for the niacinamide powder to dissolve quicker. So that is our vegetable glycerin right there. We are using 2 grams of this. It will help to moisturize our skin. It will help, like, it's important in this recipe. You have to use it, okay? before you start asking me question whether to omit it. Please, you have to use it. It's very good. And then our next ingredient is our hyaluronic acid gel. This hyaluronic acid gel, I like using the gel instead of the powder. If you have the powder, you can use just 0.5 grams, but because it's the gel, we are using 5.5 grams in this. As you can see, it's already start to thicken. When you're using the powder, just use 0.5 grams or 1 gram per max. That is the quantity that you should be using for hyaluronic acid in any recipe. Good. Then our next and last ingredient is our Germa Plus preservative. Is a very, very good preservative. Like, guys, try this serum, okay? Try this serum. Give it to your client that is looking for anti-aging serum or anti-aging products. Pair this with anti-aging cream, anti-aging toner that I'll be showing next. Okay, do this. Give it to your client, whether that client is 80, 70 years old. This serum will work. It will work in reducing wrinkles. It will work in reducing age spots because of the niacinamide in there. Like niacinamide, cucumber, they are very powerful ingredients and they are combined in this serum. This is a very, very good serum. So for those of you asking if we do train, yes, we train. There's link in our description box where you chat us if you want to train with us. And like, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next. Bye.